Ben,
She said, my son, I beg of you. I will believe the best of you. The last thing you can do for mom. Please
Tatay, ano ba yan? Nakatakip na yan.
Wala. Ito. Nilalakaw eh. Uy, isa pa na ano.
I'll give it to you all each day. I'll have to go on. What would I say? Oh, to try and go. I pray that she will change the ground.
Message.
So much to say that you do me good.
Happy birthday to me.
But don't let
Happy birthday to me. Thank you sa mga pa-birthday mo. Binenta ko na isang gulong para may panginom ako.